What is going on? Whoa! Why this one is nasty yellow on there? Oh my gosh, there's like yellow spotted everywhere. That's interesting. Hello my FABE, welcome to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products review. Today I'm gonna share with you 10 different eye makeup hacks. Whether it work or not, let's figure it out. The first hack to stop the concealer from becoming dry and cracking, you want to add a hint of moisture under your eyes before applying concealer. Either you're going to add a eye creams or you can apply a eye patch. The skin under your eyes is really thin, so it's really easy to show whenever you have dark circles. So this is what you need to do. Just in case if you really have a baggy eyes or a dark circles and you need to target really quick before your big day, you can definitely use this products right here. What is going on? Whoa! Why this one is nasty yellow on there? Oh my gosh, there's like yellow spotted everywhere. That's interesting because this is my first time I ever seen this. I used this multiple times and I go ahead and open another package just to see if this was a bad package overall, but it seemed like I just opened another one. It is a normal colors, which it should look white, not yellow. Not yellow at all. So I have to reach out to the companies and write them a email letting them know that, you know, that is a bad one apparently. And I'm going to go ahead and use the one that is, you know, safe. I would love this product more if it was not a horrible experience earlier that I have all yellow patches on there. It is so disturbing. But what amazing about this product is that it's have a little sticky adhesive that whenever you place right under your eyes is going to stick on. So even if you shake, it's not gonna fall off. So you can be efficient, do something else that you need. After wearing this for 10 minutes, you will definitely see the difference of like, you will feel more firming. It's going to reduce the appearance of fine line, wrinkle, and also dark circles. The next hack is apply coral or pink lipstick to remove dark circles. Apply some foundation on top of it. This is my first time ever to try this hack, so I'm not even sure if it's going to work or not. I don't have coral lipstick, so I'm going to use my mom hot pink lipstick. Oh my goodness, this could be a disaster, you guys. Like, I don't even know if it's going to work or not. Let's try it. So they say place it under my baggy eyes. As you can see, I have baggy eyes under here. I'm going to dun. What kind of, like this? I think that's what it tell me to do. So I'm going to also apply under here. Oh my gosh. Well, you never know until you try, right? Whoa, I think I went ham with this. Oh my gosh. What should I do? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to kind of lighten the products up, you know. I don't want to take it away because that's defeat the purpose. I think I just apply too much. I want this to work. I'm just saying if this method work, you don't have to use like, you know, makeup corrections like the greens, the blue, the purples, and also the corals. And now it mentioned that I'm going to use a foundation to put on top of it. Let's see what happened. Okay, first of all, it's a little bit sticky. Okay, I'm just going to try if this method works. You can never judge the method until you actually try it for yourself, right? And I'm telling you that I packed on a lot of products. Okay, I was not wrong. This method turned out to be a disaster. In order for this method to work, I bet you have to use the whole foundation. And this is a really thick foundation that's going to cover your blemishes. But man, it did not even cover the whole pinkish colors of lipstick that I use on my face. And it still have a pink undertone that is coming out, although I am a yellow undertones. I have seen professionals use like some little pinkish colors. It's like a little bit coral, but it's actually concealers, not in the texture of a lipstick. I have never seen people using a lipstick. It's a different kind of ingredient, so where whenever you pack more and more foundation on top of it tends to dry out your under eyes, which is going to show your wrinkle significantly. So I don't think this is a great method. Okay, so the third hack, just in case if you did not have an eye primer, you can replace with a concealer that you're using for your under eyes. What I'm using here is Louise. This is a blank canvas, or this one is a heart-shaped tape in the color light neutral that is going to fit most appropriate for my colors. Similar to eye primers, concealers can prevent fallout, making the colors more vibrant and also limit the chance of creasing. I know that this hack worked because I actually applied this method on my makeup routine. Number 4, brighten your under eyes and basically covering your dark circles. What you want to do is apply upside down triangle and blend it in with a damp beauty blender. What I like to do is blending upward on the side of my eyes because I want my face to look lifted and also brighten at the same time. I have to admit that this technique does waste a lot of products, but if you are going to a special event and want to look extra glam, this is a way to go, and here is the comparison. Number 5 is DIY gel liner. So I'm going to use a pencil eyeliner, and as I'm going to draw a line, as you can see here, it's not that intense and dark. I'm just going to heat it up for 1 second. Can you see the difference of the intensities in the colors? Number 6, eye makeup hack. To create easy smoking eye makeup, I'm going to use eye pencils. Use eyeliner pencil and drag a slanted hashtag on the outer corners. What I'm using here is Urban Decay 24/7's Glide On Eye Pencils. It is waterproof and long lasting. Then I'm going to grab a blending brush to blend it all together, starting from the outer corners because I want the color to be intense right there, and the leftover excess will be dragged in the middle of my lid, creating the fake crease that I don't have. If you need to add more colors, you are definitely welcome to, because I did have to end up adding more in order to make sure it is going to blend well. This color is Space Dust, and I decided to do another hashtag. Since this is a smoky eye, it would definitely be boring with only one color, so I decided to add a different shiny colors at the inner corner of my eyes to brighten up the look, and also meeting toward the middle just to make sure both colors is going to blend well together and looking like an ombre effect. I have to admit that this hack will go handy, especially if you don't have eyeshadows next to you, but just be aware not every kind of eyeliner will work. In particular, this one worked because it's slide really easy, which means that it's going to be easy to blend. The next hack is using eyeshadows as eyeliner, so you definitely can go all funky with any colors. I'm going to use this setting sprays and also a detail brush. I'm going to give it a little spray, and then I'm going to go in with my color. So I'm going to go in this color right here. This method will be applied the same as if you're using a liquid eyeliners. I like to start from the outer corner of my eyes, draw that little wings to connect it from the mid to the outer corners, and then connect from the inner corner to the mid of my eyelids. It's definitely depend on how you like your eyeliner to be. I noticed that a person have really big eyes, I will draw a really thin eyeliner to complement their eye shapes. But if you have a small eyelid like me, I will prefer a thicker eyeliners in order for it to show better. This is a really great method to stay in budget, so you don't have to buy all of the eyeliners there. You can definitely create your own, like this one as you see right now. Next hack is to create a smoky eyeshadow using a eyeliner pencils. I'm going to create this smoky look without eyeshadows using this eyeliner's pencils, and I'm going to line closely to my lash line as possible, and I'm just tracing it back and forth to darken the colors. And now is the fun part, using a flat brush to blend in the colors, and gradually you definitely see the smoky eye effect. Stay closely to your eyelid as possible. I did go a little bit off the rim, but it's okay. It is not a major thing. Keep blending until you are satisfied. And if you mess up, don't worry, use a Q-tip that have a makeup remover on it and mistake will be gone in seconds. And bam, you're done. Another eyeliner hack is use mascara with an angle brush if you don't have eyeliners. So I ran out of eyelid. I just go ahead and trace over the electric color blue and I'm just placing it on top of it. As you can see here, it worked perfectly, but you do need an angle brush in order to make this process easier and successful. And I'm surprised that this product was not bad at all. It is super easy to apply, and the plus side is that it lasts long because this mascara is waterproof. This is an excellent product to improvise when you don't have eyeliners because sometimes products run out and you just have to compromise with another product. Last step is using a Scotch tape as an eyeliner guide. This is really good hack for beginners or anybody who using a liquid eyeliners and having a lot of challenge. What you want to do is grabbing a piece of Scotch tape, either put it on your arms or on your shirt to take out the stickiness before you apply it on your eyes. Then apply the Scotch tape as an angle closely to the outer corner of your eyes, and this is going to help you creating that perfect wing line. Before you taking out the Scotch tape, you definitely want to make sure the eyeliner dries, so wait a second, then peel it off, then trace it out again to create even more perfect line. And draw a black eyeliner on the bottom lid to complete this look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's another 2 videos waiting for you to click. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for more notifications. And if you have any questions or comment, definitely comment down below. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.